Animate friends, today we're going to read about wild animals. This is a zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. No two zebras look exactly the same. Lion. Lions are part of the big cat family. They cannot purr. A family of lions is called a pride. Giraffe. Giraffes have very long necks. Giraffes eat leaves high up in the trees. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros, or rhino, has a horn on its nose. The female rhino protects her young. Gorilla. Gorillas are large, quiet animals. Baby gorillas ride on their mothers' backs. Elephant. Elephants have large ears and a long trunk. An elephant uses its long trunk to eat and drink. Hippopotamus. The hippopotamus, or hippo, has a large head, a stocky body, and short legs. Hippos keep their heads above water so they can breathe. Ostrich. Ostriches are the largest birds in the world. They cannot fly. Of the bird family, ostriches lay the largest eggs. It's an ostrich egg here, and that's a chicken egg. Crocodile. Crocodiles are thin, thick-skinned reptiles with sharp teeth. Crocodiles spend most of their time in the water. Cheetah. Cheetahs have long legs. They can run very fast. A cheetah has a spotted coat. Can you guess the wild animal by its coat or skin? None of us are exactly alike. There's the zebra. I am a large, quiet animal. Here's the gorilla. I can run very fast. Here's the cheetah. I spend most of my time in the water. There's the crocodile. I have a very long neck. Here's the giraffe. There's something special about each of these wild animals. Can you name each animal? What am I? I have a horn on my nose. I'm a rhinoceros. What am I? I am a cat, but I cannot purr. I'm a lion. What am I? I have short legs and a stocky body. I'm a hippo. What am I? I have large ears and a long trunk. I'm an elephant. Thank you, friends. Have a good day. Bye.